Animals and their homes.
Dog. A dog lives in a kennel. Horse. A horse lives in a stable. Elephant. An elephant lives in a forest. Fish. Fish lives in water. Polar bear. A polar bear lives in a snow den. Giraffe. A giraffe lives in savanna. Monkeys. Monkeys lives on trees. Camel. A camel lives in a desert. Frog. A frog lives near ponds, lakes or any water body. Snake. A snake lives in a hole in a ground. Panda. A panda lives in a bamboo forest. Hippopotamus. A hippopotamus lives on a river bank. Cat. A cat lives in a cattery. Duck. A duck lives near water. Mouse. A mouse lives in a hole. Sheep. A sheep lives in a pen. Worm. A worm lives on a leaf. Cow. A cow lives in a barn. Bear. A bear lives in a cave. Hen. A hen lives in a coop. Pig. A pig lives in a sty. Bee. A bee lives in a hive.
Ant.
An ant lives in an anthill. Rabbit. A rabbit lives in a burrow. Lion. A lion lives in a den. Eagle. An eagle lives in an eyrie. Spider. A spider lives in a web. Beaver. A beaver lives in a lodge or a dam. Alligator. An alligator lives in a swamp. Snail. A snail lives in a shell. Deer. A deer lives in a grassland. Bird. A bird lives in a nest. Thank you for watching. For more educational videos, please subscribe to my channel.
Like, share and comment.